Asimbone, asimbone, asimbone,
asimbone, asimbone, asimbone, asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
asimbone,
Simbone, Simbone,
Simbone.
Simbone.
Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu. Sivula ngekwijo this time, Bafetu. That's how happy we are, Bafetu. We're back with another one, Bafetu. We just beat Idiodi 4-0, Bafetu. Second leg, over the 2 legs, it was 7-0 in Tanga. Ntanga happiness ithini umntwaneni.
Ntanga ngijabulile sishaye 7 shooter ngeSunday day number 7
Day number 7 of the week.
Masiphelele zu7.
Sishaye Sundowns zola 7 sizibiza zonke mfethu 8 wins in a row mfethu ngijabulile Ntanga yaze ngiqoka futhi manje
Sogcoke futhi.
Shubiki
boy sonona matho. Uode nini usayizifuthi Ntanga?
Ntanga ngibone makunokuhamba menginamabhuku amakhulu la ngiyabona la awasangeni Ntanga kuyanyiwa
Ghost, how are you feeling, sir?
Scrumptious, uthini mlambo? Pana vekele beki, every week.
Viki.
Uyabona na e-studio kizaziwe mfana, kubona kamazaza.
Timiwe
Kadizaza man.
Kaligogo lo
What you don't know, Mr. Mlambo? I'm having pie, my pie. You ready to eat anything? Give us TX Galaxy now. We're ready to eat this. Beautiful game all around Ndanga. We saw Pagania doing it again in Ndanga. When we went to the stadium, it was beautiful, Pagania. Amapagania we watch abli vele angithola we met some of the fans said Yodi abuye Lesotho, and it's interesting in Tanga because majority wala ama-fan la said Yodi bafe Pagania because I didn't even hear. I think I heard one person saying mina ngife Chiefs angithola into enjani, and then we had ama post match interviews in Tanga. Beautiful as always angithola into enjani. Amazing response from Amapagania bafethu. Aphumile amapagania bafethu asiyenza lento bafethu. Please continue to come through bafethu for post match interviews Ntanga. Ama post match interviews Ntanga wabone kanjani? Which was your favorite?
Ntanga my favorite Ntanga isidudle esine future khohlwa mfethu lesa sidudle sinayo future sisikhathele naso ukuwina asazi ukuthi sithini manje ngithola siyanona naso usho ukuthi Ntanga vele singama happy people umzwile Ntanga uPapasi abafethu you should go and watch uPapasi great interview. But nabo bonke mfethu nabo bonke ama post match abo bahlale bashaya mfethu I maka for me this week it was uPapasi bafethu
no Papasi Ntanga ushayile bengincanywa ne energy yakhe ngithola ufikile sky energy ngithola into nje straight after the win mfethu nami Papasi was my favorite as well. But although we had some of the amazing ones from the likes of Big Keeper Ntanga shayile as normal Ujabu shayile ezwele ngithola uTatana Karabo Roy ngithola into shayile mfethu
zonke bonke
amapagania shayile vele as always. I think it was good to see Roy back no Karabo. Dallas ngababoni. That was a nice one for me. And then I must stand out mina nqanyu Pujabu man ngishayele yona mfana. And I think he expressed my views as well yabo. So ngithanda analysis yakhe ngishayele yona kamnandi.
Shaya kamnandi ne.
But yabona uPicky ukhuluma kamnandi vele. Asingamfaka nje adlale boma 20-30 minutes. Ngidonsa interview yakho noPicky. Ayakhuluma le ndoda fa.
Le ndoda yakhuluma mfethu. Mfana, like majority of them mfethu they were beautiful, and it was interesting in Ntanga. Ghost ane rivaya le Roy mfethu Roy a ruplama ko Katlehong.
Sure.
Is it Nelspruit ne?
Eastern.
Yeah, those
Is
sides.
it
Eastern, yeah.
K1 ne?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, already it's masaitinga Nelspruit.
No, Israel.
No, I think it's Eastern.
It's Israel.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We say it takes him like how many minutes to get to the stadium?
Gosh, I don't remember.
Asibuzanga.
Asibuza.
Yeah.
I don't remember, but it's far. It's far kancane.
Yeah, ukhulume like it's boma 3 hours ngithola le bebekari ngakhona. Yeah, so it just shows ndanga ukuthi abantu balithanda kanjani ibhakani ngithola they willing to travel mfethu even for a day travel like igame ezolo cause Wesley we knew ukuthi we gonna go through ngithola.
Yeah.
But the fact ukuthi amabhakani mfethu aphumile mfethu igcwalisile isigodi vie as per usual ndanga basibizani bathi si sold out FC ngithola sele kancane wazokushiwa kimana ntwana nala sold out FC. I think it's one of the interviews.
Yeah.
Ngithola so beautiful mabhakani and then ntanga we saw ntanga ibhakani dominating the game, although it wasn't that great of a first half, but controlling the game ntanga. I think we controlled that first half ngithola, and then second half we just went to second gear and the Uli couldn't cope with us ntanga. How did you see the game in general?
Yeah, ndanga mapakani I saw the game like this ndanga. I have this thing engiyibonile ngebhakani ne.
Yeah.
Every time ama first half ethu so feel ngathi they are not okay, but they are, cause the opposition nayo at a time you understand that isukisa se strong isuka ingakakhathali.
Yeah.
If you can check when you come back second half, always you come back strong ndanga, and then nabo baya phelile yoli second half meseyikhathele. Isengasaliboni edlalayo esenza mfethu bonile mfethu shukela kuphela. The game ndanga, it was all about us. There is nothing engayikhuluma ngeliyoli ngaphandle kwe few mistakes ayenzakayele first half. But after that ndanga, it was us. Yeah, so that's how I saw the game.
Yeah, no, definitely ndanga, I concur with what you're saying. I think Mina, for me, it was an opportunity to give some minutes to the French players. And it was good to see the likes of Abonda, Dawson starting the game. We've been crying out for Umoremi. Finally, so I think Coach AP, I pretty much agree with like 80-90% of the changes in Tanga. And then I think he's confidence like going forward, because it's these wins that keeps him going. You can see a press conference, this guy's confidence until he's coming back until he's able to hit back. Even I heard Uti coach Diori Mr. He's in disrespecting and quickly put him in his place until Coach AP it seems like Segai Bambile manch.
Ndanga wathi wena uwe washo wathi ngeke sisasho ukuthi KJP ubambile, because leyo is the standard one.
Yeah, it's obvious. It's no longer a question.
Yeah, it should be another question. How can Coach JP improve? Or what do we like about Coach JP? Because ndanga akuyibamba mfethu. Yahamba ukuna ka 8 awukho.
Yeah, definitely.
Like awukho.
Bale ne cup lapho phakathi.
Khona ne cup. And you must remember, coming from two losses. And before those 2 losses there was a win. That means in total Coach JP udlala 11 games, win 9. What you are 2.
Sure.
Sentiment bafethu pheka lento lena bafethu. It's impressive ntanga.
It's very impressive.
Uyangithola 9 out of 11 mfethu, and we don't concede. That's good. We're scoring. We're playing well. Even if we're not playing well, you can see chemistry in the team. When the team scores, everyone goes to the corner. That's good. That's good. And I think Coach JP will create right things. We also saw a video yakateka ngekhanda. I think ndanga uletha na sportsmanship yakhe ukuthi udlalile ibhola to the players. We understand. So Coach JP ndanga standard mfethu. You want me to rate him now? It's a 10 danga. I can't fault him now because like nama decision making ndanga like yazi mangibona line up ya izolo I was amazed, but I was happy. I was not frustrated this time. Because like that guy knows how to play ngama players. So kumbula ngithe mele bakhipha uSiyema because he's a right. Bashiya Mbokazi. But no, what's Coach JP? No, I'm not doing that. Siyema is starting. Usibisi nayo uyaqala uMbokazi uyaphuma, which is ntanga, it's a great thing. At least never rate young son. So KJP for me this week is 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for Mr. Mlambo, 10 out of 10 for me as well. Is it 10 out of 10 for you, Ghost, as well?
Buffett. It's 11 out of 10 for me.
11 out of 10 from Ghost Buffett. 100% from all the PFTV crew Buffett. Let us know what you think, Mapagania. Moving on to Sipo Chain in the clean sheet, although it played 45 minutes. Not really much to do as well. Well protected performance, although I think it was just that one error. We'll get to it. But what did you make of the performance? Sipo Chain?
Before starting about the performance of Sipo Chain, I see a leader there. And on the post-match interview kunomuntu oyirayizile azange sayinaka yangithola, but I think it was powerful. uSipho mekangalimelanga, but seeing ukuthi asesiwinile empethu kunomntana sekhaya ongadlala odinga igame time ishiza ubuthelezi awuthi ngizilalise empethu ngikaye ubhuti igame time yangithola. That's showing brotherhood ntanga, because omunye umuntu mekangaqhubeka, but yena ukuthi athi hayi man awuthi ngirelax empethu yangithola, there is nothing. It's also good for me yangithola. Coming from a game ayenzanga nothing much akayiyenzile, because iliyo libe abangathi nje mlilo wamaphepha wa 15 minutes 20 minutes yangithola waphela, which is we've managed to fix everything. Ayikho into menzima. Performance wise it was a 6, because mina I feel ngathi it was above average. Also the act le akayiyenzile, omunye mekazoba selfish afuna ukudlala, but for him to do that, I'll give him a 7. Performance wise it's a 6 plus a 7. Why am I not giving him a 10 Mapagani? Because akayenzanga izinto ezibhaya ngithola.
I agree with you as well. I agree with the 7 in Tanga. Not really much. I only had 45 minutes. He done his job, sportsmanship, as you said, young Tol. Sibilibili, na.
It's a 10. Sibilibili siyabili.
Sibili.
Bafethu, yazi dami mekufeature kanjani. Ngizwe elinye ibhakani alisho futhi lento lithi on paper mesidlala nga4 emove. But in reality mesidlala nga3 emove. Because uSibilibili was always on top.
Sure.
If we kick umuremize ngosibilibili bakapela. Uwapolice uphaso uSibilibili nasikhathi ekumele ashaye itap in. Uyangithola ntanga, it was Sibilibili, it was Sibilibili, and like uSibilibili, I think I prefer him ukuthi adlale emuva. What goes to unsaid, I think sengiyayibona. I think uba nespace esibhaya sokushala ama-running zakhe rather than when make ku on the wing. Yes, he can do it, but I think his space akanaso. It's limited. Uba space of going back rather than going forward. You understand that? Ntanga Sibilibili 10 in fact, I can't cry.
Sibilibili 10 bafethu. He had a good game as well in Tanga. Not much to fault him on, young Todd intention. Ghost, what's your rating on Sibilibili?
Yeah, I think he had a great game, excellent game in fact. I think understandable ukuthi umgayi 10 intanga. I think ushayile ispan sakhe, not a lot to fault at all. Makumele kumako makile makaya phambili uyile. I think he did his job 100%. 10 you deserve above.
Yeah. David Mapagani ivumile PFTV bafethu. 10 out of 10 for Sibilibili. Moving right along to Uraiding, Undaba, left back.
I was happy to see Undaba. That boy is alive. And I'll always say this. This boy, my young Azal is also happy now. Salajabile lo yamfana lo yamunye unakekeka uyasmile uyangithola ukuthi like is enjoying his time at Orlando Pirates noma ngakadlali kakhulu. Seeing him adlala kwesi2 and futhi like uhlala adlala esigodini intanga is great. And one thing, it's a full debut yakhe. Udlale full 9s. And I can't fault him anywhere. Because intanga ama-passes akhe like are good. Doesn't lose a lot of balls. Yes, maybe akayi phambili kakhulu as we would like njengoHotho. Uyangithola. But like udlala kamnandi intanga. mina lusena manje ungikhumbuza uphungwayo yamkhumbula uphungwayo yeah like ntanga ungale like ungale yonto yangithola ukuthi now we have a left back left back esingamthathanga bemi kadlala like phambili sambuyisa emuva like a natural left back. For me I'll give him an 8. Why am I giving him an 8? I need him to improve from what? From ukuthi maybe nasejimini ucoach ambone kakhulu ukuthi coach I deserve to play too. Uyangithola but like on the game izolo I can't fault him anywhere.
Ntanga me too ntanga ulaying ushayile usponsor wakhe uNdaba yangithola into enjani. At least we had we had a chance to see him for the full 90 minutes yangithola. Because sometimes it's you can see player for like 15 minutes coming in 10 minutes, you know, showing you good cameos, and then once guy 90 minutes you start to realize some of like shortfalls but it doesn't have this, it doesn't have this. I also like his body stage, young tall. For a defender, I think it's good. It's not short, it's not tall. It's just young tall, in the middle, young tall in aggressive. Magalbam will look comfortable, young tall. I think you must see a match from Undaba. Kudos to Coach AP as well to put him in for Dion Hort, young tall, for the full 90 minutes. Anything to add, Kundaba, Antwana?
I think he pretty much covered it. And it is refreshing to see a natural left back, as Mr. Mlambo has said. Tona is very good going forward. I think he's good as well defending. Mnandi, he's got a bit of pace as well. Agastragili. I think if he keeps that up, angayibamba le left back yethu.
Yeah. No, definitely. And then we saw UCM as well coming in, Yangtola. They took away his partner in crime, Umbokazi, Fuchara no Sbisi. Thoughts on CM?
Ndanga UCM ngathi mdala manje. And UCM ngathi kudala dlalile Pirates.
Sure.
Uyangithola long balls wakhe they are so good. And then ndanga like ngathi alipheli game angalishayanga. Yes, it's like we didn't have a lot of long balls. But in terms of play, uyadlala. Mina ntanga my critique is always one. Yangithola, stop losing the balls, they move. Even on the previous pod, ngishilo. Yangithola lela bola lela iliyocisha punish. If you get abanye abantu abasmart, bazosipunish. I still say namanje uboy uyadlala kamnandi. But akayekela amaphutha le move. You understand? Because like they can't keep on happening. But like obvious it's football ngeke sihlale simfaulta kangako. In terms of play yakhe mnandi there was nothing much ekumela yenze especially second half. Bona bazikruzela nabo Bhodlela lapha But for me uCM mfethu I think always we deserve 10 but lama mistakes akhe lawo they take him down. It's an 7 minus a 3 because intanga if you get the opponent engadlali and kwamanye ama game bazosipunish. He must fix that. It's a 7 for me.
I think intanga umcoverile ulaying boy mfethu. He pretty much did everything right apart from that one mistake, and it's a very crucial moment of the game. I think it was nearly at that time. If you concede, you start chasing the games, but desperate, you become vulnerable. I think that's a good point in that. We mentioned it as well on our last pod. I'm starting to see it as well. So that's something that he needs to fix. And uzoyilungisa uboy
most definitely.
And then moving right along, captain, we saw him coming back with CBC. He had a decent performance as well. Thoughts on CBC?
Bhodlela lami.
Bhodlela leli.
Ibhodlela leli, ipagania leli.
Pagania leli.
Ipandela leli.
Ipandela like
and uyolimala ntanga udlala i90 kodwa ngathi akaza hamba. And elinye ibhakani lishilo lento le and yabuya and I see makunobhodlela asiwadlala amabhola amalong kakhulu uyangithola because lithiyeli labhakaniya if we don't play like if maybe kuno Mbokazi kuno CM we know they are good with Tigers but ubheke ntanga imiddle field yethu end up like iba ngathi ayidlali. We'll end up saying Tito is not playing because makukhona bona sometimes first channel in uyangithola laba ibhola kuba isikhathi ukuthi bangalitholi but makunebhodlela kalishaya ibhola. I'm not faulting the guys of kushaya ibhola. It's good, it's working for us but it's a different player. If ubhodlela uda akushaya ibhola kakhulu uyangithola kuyadlalwa. That's why you've managed to see phakathi esenza ntanga mekudlala even na first half Dasin got iball isikhathi eside Master Chef mfethu he was cooking there uyangithola Bhodlela for me deserves and 10 but ngizomuphi 8 why nguphi 8 he's not fully fit uyangithola in terms of game I think I want to see more from Bhodlela but le game lela there was not more to be done but obvious I know you're going to get stronger opponents by the way the TS Galaxy I think nabo ba strong yangithola bayeze ligini so I think we'll be able to see abo Bhodlela ukuthi they are fully back kulawo ma game anjalo but on that game Tanga it's an 8 for me I need him to improve but I can't fault him much on that game
8 in Tanga is brilliant in fact it's marvelous in fact I agree with the 8 as well coming back from an injury and giving us that performance in fact obviously coach na we dlalile because he knew that game wouldn't be that intense. To say, okay, let me give Usbisi some minutes. I think Uzo sharp for upcoming games. Squad rotation is very important. Coach JP, at least he can introduce some of those players. And then moving right along to our central defender, Usihle Nduli.
Sihle Nduli, I'll still say na my Mr. Clean. Cleana konke ihuva leyanda yabona into ezosiphazamisa lapha mina that's the role I see kulo mjita lo yes we want him to play uyangithola but mina in terms of play I don't see uSihle Nduli maybe even noma isizini sele adlala uyangithola yes we want our six to play more but I think we've got ball players because Senza if you can remember they're playing with 3 maybe Senza if you have Umbatha you have Unduli we know Umbatha most of the times is the one who's comfortable of getting the balls we have Dasin is also comfortable I don't see Usihle Nduli asipha leyo I don't want to lie but in terms of cleaning there Tanga is going to clean each and every game. Believe you me when I say that. For me, it's a 7 on that performance. Yes, there was this ball, which I was saying is good ball. Yes, I saw good. It was not a good ball. No, it was not a good ball. I saw, but it was not a good ball. But nalezi zinto akashayile kunale window akashayile usibilibili uyangithola there is a glimpse of him going forward which is good but mina what I'm going to tell you is not a ball play a ball player like abo Masindi abo Bani uyangithola but yena ukucleana lapha believe you me I still say izocleana it's a 7 for me
7 for Mr. Mlambo Mr. Mlambo is mentioning a very good point, because in terms of cleaning, he's doing a marvelous job. Don't you think it's someone that you can introduce 70 minutes, maybe when you're leading 1-0, you want to defend our goals, 80 minutes or even 90 minutes.
Sure, squad play.
Once we had those points in the back and we want to shut the door and throw away the keys.
That makes sense. That would make sense.
Okay. But only performance, I agree with you. You can't fault him much. You can't really do much.
Sure.
Yeah. And then moving on to the left. Left winger.
No,
you wanted to say something.
No, ngifuna lapha esenza uqedelele maka hamba.
Son. Okay, since who was in Nomtanje?
It was Dasin.
Oh, Dasin. Okay, you can do Dasin.
That point anga ubuya ku development right. Uqeqeshekile lo yamfana lo in terms of play. Uyangithola, you can be talented ntanga, but if you are not properly developed, you're going to see amanye ama-teams uzodevelop masofika ku-PSL. You get what I'm saying? But with Dasin, you can see that boy is developed. Why am I saying that? Ubheke ntanga amabhola wakhe can place the ball forward amabhola apha and to the sides. We understand that there was this time akayishayile. I think Ghost was the one who's frustrated, or you. Muremi was running, uyangithola, for him to hold the ball. Why use loya muntu njenge-decor? Ukuthi loya muntu makeya lapha yena uzoshaya nje idami so that he can hit. Yes, that didn't work. But those kind of things, mina ngiyajabula to see ama number 8 doing them. Seeing my number 8 going forward, it's a beautiful thing. Yes, second half he didn't play well because he was losing amabhola abhaya because akacheck ama-side mirror uyangithola. But overall I'm happy for the boy ukuthi uqalile and udlale grand first half kakhulu. He got a yellow card. I think it was lame from the ref, but uboy udlale kakhulu. For me, I'll give him a 7. Why? Because second half ntanga I feel ngathi lose focus uyangithola in terms of lapho mekathola ama-foul angabheki esayidini, but ntanga we got a gem there.
Definitely we have a gem, and I'm hoping to see more of football. Young so like Tanzania is a very good player and fit the type of midfielder that I want. Young like you say, how much?
You say 7.
7.
Yeah,
I think 7 is good in Tanga for a first start of the season. Young so like it's a good one. And then moving right along to our left wing, Umuremi.
Man of the match. Kuluma man of the match. You have man of the match.
I don't know, but I doubt it would be anyone else.
And I'm concerned about man of the match, but Sobuya lapho. For me, Muremi Mfethu, like he loves Pirates.
Yeah.
You can see nangendlela adlala ngayo.
Sure.
Uyangithola, he loves Pirates. Muremi Mfethu it's a 10 umile lapha.
Yeah.
10 umkhulu.
And beautiful, and I've been crying for Umremi to start, young toy.
Yeah.
Mremi must start.
Mremi must start, young toy. And then he comes in and he keeps that performance.
Beautiful,
terrorizing the Woody. They couldn't know how to, like, they couldn't deal with that boy, young toy. Even, remember I said Uchi is not that good on the right. He went to the right in that, young toy. Again, and terrorizer still, young toy in the so obviously, it's against the opposition that is not that high in quality. We still have to see more on the Betway Premiership. But on that game in Tanga, rating him on that game, it was excellent. That's a master class. It's a beautiful performance.
Free kick.
Shout out to Coach AP as well in Tanga. Oh, that free kick in Tanga. Yes.
Bah! To the net.
I think we have a free kick taker there.
You must give him that responsibility. You must give him that responsibility.
They must be able to do what Murema akayenzile la yangithola. Sine quality mfethu, sine quality.
10 out of 10 from Umreni wafethu. Definitely agree with Mr. Mlambo. Moving right along to Aswina Police.
Bambiza ngo 10-1-1. Yeah. That guy also is enjoying himself. Yeah, sometimes you'll say why police didn't pass there. But like I understand why he's not passing kwezinye kwamanye situation because there is confidence there and that guy is looking to score always. He believes ukuthi I must produce numbers there. Not being greedy. Akekho greedy kakhulu ntanga. Yes, there was this one usibidibida kamkayona he was supposed to score. But I believe those things happen. Yes, sometimes you have to bury them. Kwamanye game, but I believe those things happen uyangithola. Akusumuntu like ohlala ayenza leyo nto leyo, so asingeke simkhalele kakhulu. But overall ntanga igame la kakao ntanga mina we have a great signing there. Great signing from Mapodi. He's enjoying his time when he has the ball. Nathi siyajabula ukuthi man there's something which can happen uyangithola. On that game yazolo yes akashayanga assist, yes akashayanga goal, but udlale kahle. Ngizomuphi 7. Cause like akakoranga akashayanga assist, but if utshayile and I make that deserve it 10.
7 and I agree with you mfethu. They had a good game Police young not much to add there. Moving right along to Usiphombule.
Malume
Master Chef. Let them cook.
Let him cook.
Let them cook. Let him cook.
That guy cooks. Ntanga was ball. And ngeke bayithathe futhi kuwe le. You started at 10. You play so well, so marvelous. You go uqine wabagada. Makuphuma phela uNduli. Uye mekagadile lapha ngathi lo uthi nomtatshela noTito bafana bami. I'll cook for you. Anbalana. Ulo kulapha beautiful touches, and what I like about him. Akavesa shaya style when it's unnecessary umbheke. If like when it's unnecessary akavesa pass ibhola nje asuke lapho. But that guy ntanga can link with anyone udlale center if you can check that. That means that guy is good. Kahle uyakhona ukuvusa laba bafana make ngenile egroundini ukuthi asivukeni, and what's good izola udlale 9. I'm happy to see that and udlale kahle. Ntanga it's 100.
Yeah. No, definitely, Ntanga. I agree with you, Ntanga. Moving right along to Uskomota.
Ngwana tonight, ngwana Kajeko. Ngwana Kajeko ntanga, there was nothing much to be done on that game. Because if you can check udlale second half kuphela. Udlale second half kuphela and ayikho into ebhaya kayishayile. I was happy ngokuthi ushayile epalini. That 10 for me is beautiful one. Ngiyangithola ukuthi at least sekakhona ukufaka amabhola on target, but there was nothing akayenzile which is special. For me, I'll give him a 5 on that game.
Give him a 5. Average performance ndanga Skomota Mfethu, we must try and not much to falter him on that game. I think he was starved of
balls.
Of balls. So in danger, he had to maneuver kancane. Not much to criticize him on until he must just get that one goal. I think that one goal, it'll keep him going. In danger. And then you say 5, ne?
Yeah, I'm say 5. It's an average.
No, that's a good rating. And then moving right along to Masindi.
Masindi, it's a sub.
Yeah, it's a sub. It's a sub. Yeah.
Kasi flavor.
Yeah.
That guy mbona noma gijima ngathi kudala the Pirates akathukanga ngithi which one is this one? Beautiful touches all along. The guy is enjoying himself. I mean unomtajela, and there was a Pagania say man of the match. I think uyangamawala. Makudlalile ntanga kakhulu. For me, I'll give him an 8. I'd like to give him a 10, but I'm giving an 8 in this basis. So I think he can improve more than what he's doing currently, and I want to see more from him kwama game amakhulu, or like to a Premiership, because as much as we rate them, we must not forget ukuthi it was Lioli. I could say Bateleli Lioli, but they are not strong opposition. But for me, it's an 8, and I was happy to see that Kasi Flavor.
Yeah. I know, definitely. I agree with you that Masindi had a decent performance. So.
Yeah.
And then moving right along to who was the next up?
Mbuthuma. Yeah, bangene draw no Mbuthuma.
Oh.
Yo, I'm happy to see first thing so issue. I'm happy Mapagania to see Mbuthuma back. That's the first thing. I was happy to see him out because previously, what I think also these boys why they didn't perform, Abomure, Mabombutsuma, why we were on that. No, Speedy Bill was part of them. Now I must know it. Speedy Bill as Bill. If you remember, Amapagania, they can check on our podcast early season. I think it's because the team was not winning and the team was losing. Like Megana, chemist. But like Abombutsuma Bangenili, they fitted like a club. I'm happy for him to score 2 goals. That's marvelous. And the Abonalama player allow Messi, this player doesn't deserve to play here. They are getting the goals. That means in the team like say Kunile, and then I would tell Atalis Katesi the Ganje, Segana 2 goals. It's beautiful. Good Kev. Here's Gualok, me, Mupi 10 in Tang Mupi 10 in the basis of good to Builu boy. Wako Romunius of Chagudela like in Tlanta for him to be there.
Like that's striker's instinct. So like if you fit to strike and you're not there, so you won't score that goal. I like that goal, and I like, as I said, like it's striker's instinct. You must always be there.
No,
every bounce,
Christmas Ronaldo.
Every bounce that comes in, you must be there. You must put your body, put your head. Like so I like the fact to totally praise him. He's off the mark, he's putting pressure now off on Skomota to say to yabona manje mfethu okay siyasho ukuthi umabasa uyithathile le position mara nami ngifuna ukuhlala ebenchini yangithola into enjani. So beautiful one Ndanga from Mudayide, from Mbuthuma mfethu. Like the performance Ndanga.
The beast has been unleashed.
And here's the number 9, ne?
Yeah, number 9.
Strike.
Is
it not only on Kev?
Number 9.
We number 9.
Okay, number 9. Mfana. Awala number 9 ele amhlala. Awala for a striker. Mawufika uthi ngifuna number 9.
Yabona obona anewa mapara before it's okay like half time anewa mapa ke jwetsa Mr Mlambo ke ra ile wa ibona or ke strike.
Yeah. And who raise into coast. I think lama game la ayasisadliwe. Namanje body language is different.
Sure.
Yeah.
I think they've been working on the boy.
Yeah.
Because why get a goal? Sakhumbula saqala yini ama igol elisimple. But look at the goal lela bamkhosele lona. Tito
Eish,
pass.
Sure.
Yangithola Tito pass, Libito
Cross.
nangi naye sekayafika ntanga udlula nalo. It's
Sure.
beautiful goal.
Beautiful.
Yeah, ntanga it's a 10 for me.
10 out of 10.
10.
I agree with you, Fitz. You can't like how dare you, Fitz, to come off the bench and score 2 goals.
Where have you
And imagine
Yeah,
Abu Rodeo men were given so many minutes.
How
and
many
he
minutes?
didn't score a goal.
Nothing.
Where have
Tomata
you
has been
been?
given so many minutes, hasn't scored a goal.
Yeah,
This guy
scored a
comes
goal.
in, Fitz.
Where-
Back the
Bangs
praise.
2 goals.
Where
That's
has he
all
been?
needed.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know he's back. Ntanga, he's back.
yeah, it's good to have him there.
Yeah.
And then our next sub,
Sipo Chain.
Sipo Chain. No, Sipo Chain came out for Udai.
Ubuthelezi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, that
Evidence
was the-
Mahopa.
I can remember utswile wa kena
For
Mbuthuma.
Mbuthuma ngithi sishayile leyo. Evidence
Oh,
Makupa
yeah,
simshayile.
yeah.
Yeah.
Evidence
So
Mahopa
now
simshayile.
Ubuthelezi angithi for uSipho.
Usipo Chain.
Yeah.
Oh, Buthelezi, yeah, Buthelezi. Mbuthuma Buthelezi.
Ntanga what I love about Ubuthelezi yo ntanga height leyo amjita lo ya.
Yeah.
So good for a keeper.
Yeah.
Yangithola ne distribution yakhe umnandi.
Sure.
I saw it izolo yangithola ngendlela throwa ngayo ibhola but there was nothing much to be done makengena naye yangithola
Sure.
hayi ukuthi liyo limeyiza but I'm happy ukuthi uSipho uphumile wangena ubuthelezi
Yeah.
naye wawo maphalula amathambo.
Yeah, minutes,
For me
minutes,
it's
minutes.
more than a 5, it's a 6 because of at least I saw a glimpse of him mengiqala like ukumbukela stadium rather than a TV.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
I'm glad, I'm happy to see him angena and he has been supportive ebenchini kunina hlala ebenchini lo yamchita
Yeah.
mara uyambona like he's always there happy.
Yeah.
You won't see him sulking. For me
Yeah.
it's a 6.
6, I definitely agree with you. Ghost, is
Yeah.
there another sub there?
Yeah, there's another sub, but I wanted to add Dawoguti Buthelezi, man. I saw his distribution. Looks like he unayo
Yeah,
distribution.
mnandi.
Sure, and then the next up was Tito Masangai ungenele udancing.
Tito
number 10.
gijima kanje mambala ayangena 10 minutes ayidlisa amabhola ayekela ngathi amagoli basiyasho ukuthi uTito ngeke adlale after lapho ipati ayazi ipati mesephathini nomtajela Tito angithola Master Chef beautiful
Yeah.
goal semi assist ndanga beautiful pass.
Yeah.
Bonile leya pass leya passe uLibitso Mbuthuma.
Sure.
A beautiful one
Beautiful,
ntanga
yeah.
Tito had a good game.
Yeah.
But uTito kulama game aso ngathi ntanga singambali ngathi ngam exclude.
Yeah.
I'll give him a 7. Why? He lost ibhola shaya idolo lapha ya. Akalishaya idolo maka angadlisi ibhola yangithola.
Yeah.
Nalapha ya phambili. Mekumela yenze good decision. We expect a good decision from him. But he's going to come back. For me it's a 7 on that game.
It's a 7.
Yeah.
We saw Ulibito coming in for Usinapolis. Umbone kanjani Ulibito?
Ntanga uLibitso ntanga iGodman mfethu. Before ngena ngibona ahlebela uMbuthuma mina ngiyasicheka lezo zinto. Off the field ahlebela uMbuthuma I think mekuyigoli la kaMoremi. Angazi mekamhlebelana. Kanti umhlebeli ukuthi uzom-assista. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
But iGodman intanga lile yamfethu uqeda ukungena sesikuthola phambili into ehlala isikhala ngaye giving a beautiful assist. Akayenzanga much apart from that assist yangithola but for me it's like impact game ngendlela egrand because we got a goal from that naye uyabalwa kwabantu abanama assist. For me it's a 7 because of that assist because it was average because akayenzanga next.
Yeah.
For that assist I added 2. It's a 7.
Oh, definitely agree with you. Are we done with the subs, Ghost?
Yeah, that was the last sub.
And then we can move on to the referee. Who was the referee?
Abongile Tom.
Abongile Tom.
Tom, yeah. I didn't really see him doing much, young son. I think
Same.
there was just a decent performance.
Yeah, I can't fault him. You understand?
Yeah.
I can't fault him. Just I'll say 6 down because
Yeah.
like there was nothing much to be done there.
Yeah.
But the game was smooth, was going.
Yeah.
I'll just say 6.
I agree with you, Ntanga.
But I think he kept the game going, so it wasn't really a bad game for him.
Yeah, it was not. It was not.
Yeah.
I don't think isn't that chill, like 6 is decent. It's not like it's a bad average performance. Because I wanna lead the big moments. It's a bias, so
Sure.
for me. Well, I think 6 is good enough. And then moving on to Amapagania Ntanga, we saw Amapagania Pumile. And then before he came Ikala, Opula and Resh, Amapagania Garata today.
Yeah.
But I think 10 minutes, 15 minutes into the game, Ndanga, when you check, if you it's good,
Bewaphumile Amapagania. Sure.
And the atmosphere and on fire.
Yeah, it was on.
I think injabulo bafethu.
Injabulo,
As much as you know ukuthi winile or what, you just want to see these guys play.
Yeah.
I think uJose was here nebelieve yokuthi we love this team now.
Yeah.
The culture of this team ukuthi mayidlala, whether it's a small game or what, we have to go there.
Yeah.
So Amapagania asele ngaleyo culture leyo yangithola. Hundreds always from Amapagania, happy people. Amapagania yanona mfethu. I'm buying stand yenzani. Uyangithola singaba full sangani, it's 100.
Get your mat gun light amfana siyakhala.
Akhalile nelinye ibhakaniya ukuthi hayi bafethu manje uyayana kumashonisa mabathi ibhakaniya liyadlala le eFontaine liyadlala le Cape Town hayi mfethu ufuna ukuyibona live that so akuyibona TV is not enough.
Yeah, it's a good point le wenzayo ndanga, like the more we win, the more Amapagania will feel like pressure ukuthi mfethu I can every week ngibhekelele ibhakaniya TV yangithola mele ngizibonele lona ngithola bangathi super sport bathi yangithola mele mina ngisho ukuthi Mr Mlambo mina ngizibonele noSipho Mbulu Master Chef yangithola mashala ama-10 cooking yangithola. I think 10 out of 10 I agree with that. And then during the week we have a game against the TX Galaxy, back to competitive game. We saw some of the teams at the top dropping points. It's an opportunity for us, one we can't miss. I think Coach AD must go with the strongest team. What do you think?
Yeah, and CS Galaxy not forgetting ukuthi they are good side this season.
Very good side.
They've been playing so well, getting so much points, so we must not nyatsa them when you get there. We must know ukuthi it's a competitive game. But bona lebo be CS Galaxy bagcwele ngeintwana. And also like ukubona intwana ezifew. Siqala ngoSipho, right Libito, left Hoto, center back ubani lo Siema and Bogazi. Podlela ngaqala ngaphandle ngifunalwe mfethu ukuthi abuye. At the center I go back with Unduli. I like to see introduction yaka Talent Mbatha futhi. Talent Mbatha must come back with us in angangena second half. I like to see there's also Master Chef as bafethu le quality lesinayo bafethu iyadakwana kahle kahle kenzakalana ngokwe JP ngithe intwana maka kunantwana engiyimalile uyangithola umbule mfethu deserve to play. Let's play him at 10. Sibilibili previous side yakhe no Siema by the way, Sibilibili on the right. Hi bafethu hi Libito mfethu, I'm dropping Libito. Dropping Libito on the right, Sibilibili and Napolis, Moremi. Then let's go with Mabasa. That's my 11.
Let's keep it going. Pretty much agree with your lineup, Ntanga. I think it's a solid lineup. What do you think of the lineup, Ghost?
Yeah, I think Ubambili, Mr. Mlambo. I wouldn't falter him a lot on that lineup. Mina nje ngafaka uLibito, uSibilibili ahlale ngaphandle. Sifaku Muremi nowapolisi lapho phambili.
Siyakhumbula konje kunaNorile bafethu yazi le quality.
Barurile ngathi ukhawathekile uzobe sekabuye.
Angazi indaba yasidakwa nale quality mfethu ebhaya.
Ningakhulu.
Hayi.
Too much quality. Coast, can you move on to our log?
Our lock, yes, bafethu. Kona mire abaxolisi. Kona batele Lucas last week mapakanyani bazwi. Ngibachela kahle lento izosuka emuva mayi. Hayi bafethu correct prediction.
Awuyibonile.
Yeah.
Kirentanta ke confess awuyiboni ntwana.
Kibo.
Experience anda yakuyibonile mekaminye.
Uyekuphela
mekaminye. Ifuna iphakathi cha 5.
Ngiyakuyibiza nje phone. The experience that.
Uyafuna iphakathi cha 5.
But okay, bafethu, and then so ama-points wethu fire usuka from 10 uya ku-11 and then unengo usuka from 7 uya ku-8. It's because they got the correct prediction but they didn't get the correct score. So mina njengo-Ghost, because I got the correct prediction and I got the correct score. So fonile.
Njengo-Ghost.
Thola another 3 points bafethu kusuka ku-5 ngiya ku-8. So sengu-number 2, unengo number 3.
Hawu.
Yeah.
Why mina songisa number last?
Alphabetical. The cheese before air. Cheese before air.
Alphabet mfethu.
Angela ba.
Omnini mfethu.
Mara now you need to pull your socks.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of us now phela is not like something.
If we had a goal difference, ukuthi yeah, more predict score sibaya tanga. Kube ngenzani? That was the table Mapagania. If you want to join our table bafethu, nawe comment that score predictions sakho. Mawungayibamba Pagania sakufeature nawe sakera kule table yethu.
Yeah.
Danko.
And then prediction ke bafethu for the next one.
Siwelele eScotini sidlala neTS Galaxy.
TS Galaxy, yeah.
Shanga thina score. Hey uzokhala ukuthi ufuna uqale yena qala.
Uyu number 1 akacala.
Uyayithatha ngiyakuzwela.
Hayi engangizweli qala.
Aqale nge-wrong prediction.
Kwenzi. TX Galaxy against the Orlando Pirates, Scotini. 2-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Same thing 2-0.
Oh madoda na.
Same thing. Nami ngibona i2-0. Angeke ngiyithini. Ngibona yona.
Hayi 3-1 Mapagani.
Asiconcede mas.
Uzobona siyajika izinto.
Siyajika
izinto. One goal nje siyaconcede.
Confidence. Hayi
maka. Back bin Ghost.
Hayi khuleka bebasho kanje last week.
Yeah, then we can close the show.
Yeah, most definitely Mapagani. Ngicela singayikhohlwa lento le. Like, sharing and subscribing bafethu. It's very so important for us and we thank the love bafethu. Nisipha uthando olukhulu. Nathi soloko sinipha this beautiful content. Come through Makpedi game social post match
interviews bafethu. There we have it bafethu. Ishilo Mr. Mlambo bafethu.
Bo